And it's a great question. We're not a marketing agency specifically, or an engineering house or anything. We don't do CAD work. Really, what I tell people is it comes down to how do we help clients with speed to market. And speed to market requires doing 4 areas well all together: sales, marketing, operations, and engineering. And so in order to bring products or services to market, you've got to do all 4 of those things well. And so we do have a full digital marketing team. We do help people with sales, training, coaching, assessments. We have VP level ops people going in there and working on the factories. We have full-time product managers or working on market research and project management. And then we partner with others in the business community that can bring the rest of the disciplines that we don't have into a client to help them with whatever they need to move the needle.